Your roof is one of the most critical components of your home, protecting you, your family, and your belongings from the elements. Over time, however, even the most durable roofs will show signs of wear and tear. As a homeowner in Warren, it's essential to know when it's time for a roof replacement to avoid costly repairs and ensure the safety and comfort of your home. Ignoring roof issues can lead to water damage, higher energy bills, and potential structural problems. In this guide, we'll outline the top signs that indicate it's time to consider roof replacement in Warren and how to make the best decision for your home. Visible damage or missing shingles. One of the most obvious signs that your roof needs replacement is visible damage. Shingles are designed to protect your roof and home, but over time, they can become brittle, cracked, or completely missing. If you notice missing or broken shingles, it's a clear indication that your roof is no longer fully functioning. Curled or buckled shingles. Shingles that are curling or buckling are a sign that they've reached the end of their lifespan. This damage allows water to seep into the roof, leading to leaks and further deterioration. Granule loss. Asphalt shingles are covered with granules that help protect against UV rays. If you notice granules in your gutters or around your yard, it's a sign that your shingles are breaking down and may need to be replaced soon. If your roof has extensive damage with many missing or damaged shingles, it's time to consider roof replacement to avoid further issues. Frequent leaks and water damage. Water damage is one of the most serious issues a homeowner can face, and it often starts with a compromised roof. Leaks are one of the most common signs that your roof may need replacement. If you notice water stains on your ceilings or walls, particularly after heavy rain, it's time to take action. Persistent leaks. If leaks occur repeatedly despite patching up the roof, this is a clear sign that the roof's integrity has been compromised. In this case, roof replacement is a more cost-effective long-term solution compared to continuous repairs. Water stains or mold. Water infiltration can lead to the development of mold or mildew in your home, which can be harmful to your health. Mold and mildew thrive in damp environments, and a leaking roof can create the perfect conditions for them to grow. If you're dealing with recurring leaks or water stains, it's essential to replace your roof to prevent further damage and mold growth. Age of your roof. The age of your roof is another critical factor in determining whether it's time for a replacement. Roofs are designed to last for a specific number of years, depending on the material used. For example, asphalt shingles typically last between 20 to 25 years. Metal roofs can last 40 to 70 years. Tile and slate roofs may last well over 50 years. If your roof is approaching the end of its expected lifespan or has already exceeded it, it's a good idea to consider replacing it. Even if your roof doesn't show visible signs of damage, age can weaken its performance, especially in areas with extreme weather. High energy bills. If you've noticed a sudden increase in your energy bills, your roof may be to blame. An aging or damaged roof can cause heat loss in the winter and cool air leakage in the summer. Poor insulation or damaged shingles create gaps that allow outdoor temperatures to affect your indoor climate, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Poor insulation. If your attic is poorly insulated or the roofing material is allowing air to escape, it can lead to higher energy consumption. Replacing your roof with energy-efficient materials can help keep your home more comfortable and reduce energy costs. Sagging or drooping roof. A sagging or drooping roof is one of the most severe signs that a roof replacement is necessary. This could be a sign of structural damage, possibly caused by water infiltration, wood rot, or a weakened roof deck. If the roof is sagging, it's crucial to address this issue immediately, as it could lead to a total roof collapse if left untreated. Visible sagging. Look for visible signs of sagging along the roofline, especially around valleys, ridges, or edges. If you notice any of these signs, it's vital to have a professional roofing contractor assess the condition of your roof as soon as possible. Excessive moss or algae growth. While moss and algae growth can be common in areas with high humidity, excessive growth can indicate an issue with your roof. Moss traps moisture, which can cause shingle damage over time. Algae growth is unsightly and can also cause deterioration if left untreated. Persistent growth. If you see moss or algae consistently growing on your roof, it could be a sign that moisture is being trapped, which leads to damage over time. This could also be a sign of a roof that is no longer shedding water as effectively as it should, requiring a replacement to protect your home. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs that it's time for a roof replacement in Warren can save you from costly repairs and damage to your home. If you notice missing or damaged shingles, frequent leaks, a roof that's nearing the end of its lifespan, or poor energy efficiency, it's time to consider replacing your roof. Not only will roof replacement improve the safety and comfort of your home, but it will also enhance its curb appeal and value. Always consult with a professional roofing contractor to assess the condition of your roof and determine the best course of action. Replacing your roof might seem like a significant investment, but the benefits, such as long-term protection, lower energy bills, and enhanced home value, make it a smart choice for any homeowner in Warren.